350H is designed as a low-cost entry-level machine for a door shop. If you're ready to move up from fixtures and jigs and chisels to something that's easier to set up, more accurate and more dependable, then the 350H might be right for you. The 350H will do interior and exterior doors, 1 3/8, 1 3/4. It'll do interior and exterior jambs as well as flat jambs with no stop and split jambs. There is a scale on the side here, and we see that this says 2.2, 2.4, and 2.6 is down there. We're set at 2.6 right now. We need to change it to 2.4. So we'll take the pin, push the button in, so I can release the pin, head up to the 2.4, push the button in again to slide the pin back in. And we'll do the same thing at this end. So obviously the 350H will do a door and a jamb simultaneously. We can remove the jamb and machine the door only if that's desired. If you're doing jamb onlys, it is necessary to have a door in the machine. We're to change from an interior to an exterior jamb. We've got the head stop set for the correct head clearance on our interior jamb. Just remove that. Put our rabbited jamb in. Rotate this around so that we can use the longer stop to index to our exterior jamb. When you insert the jamb clamp bars are at a low pressure to make it easier to get the jamb in and out. When you bring the router down and you clamp the door with the router, that increases the pressure on the jamb clamps and holds it in tightly.